Wedding bell ringing as our beautiful young multi-talented Nollywood actress EKENE CYNTHIA, popularly known as Angel Palazzo, Mercy Johnson's goddaughter in the movie, just said yes to the love of her life. EKENE CYNTHIA is an actor, movie producer, director, a brand ambassador, content creator, MC, event planner, and many more. EKENE CYNTHIA, as well the CEO AK's event confectionery ambassador to Mary Meek skincare spa. Like, guys, today she just said yes to the love of her life. Quarter to tie the knot. Yes, so hey, this one don't they go off market with all these are beautiful qualities. Look, waiting one woman just taste of. Like, guys, when you see the woman with this kind of gift, you will say leave am now. Now inside she can advise young ladies, like, if you they follow Bobo, say make una not they look money, oh, like all these our young tege guess where you come there for this our Indomie generation. Wahala be like make I chill with the big boys. It don't land many guests into kiri. Why some don't go down 6 feet below? Like, guys, she can't let us know for this engagement. Say she don't take when she did this abobo. Two of them has come a long way, and this either matter he don't suffer chop akara with a wedding with this guy. But last when things don't day okay, she was like scared. This guy don't loaded because two of them started from scratch, as the guy still they do well on his own, and she pick up moving as her own career. And like today, they just said yes to each other, as the boyfriend just said she can't let us know, say hey wahala for the Indomie generation, when he never know, say no time wait for anybody, or pick your choice very fast before you come they grow well be for that side. He say make una no dey follow relationship over money. If you follow her like that, my country people, he say you no go know who be the real love of your life. Now so she can't advise our young unmomable tege guests when he see they in the street, when he still they doing search, as she don't go off market. Like, finally, guys, she said yes. Congratulations to you, EKENE. May God bless this your union, make it for become successful. And this our beautiful actress, many people not to sabi her face. Now she be the girl when it be say, when una they see this picture like this, una go remember the time when it be say our beautiful Uku second they do a birthday for inside private jet. All these our top celebrities sugar daddy money they work with. I know I tell the roll on your tango. Lucy Donald when two of them shake for inside the internet that time. Now they shake inside that our private jet that they package for the old bobo. So like now, guys, she don't they celebrate our own engagement as well. And this girl in question are Mercy Johnson's goddaughter for the industry, because she used the man they talk and say if not be our mama Mercy Johnson who accepted her as a godmother, when they put her through when it concerning the Nollywood entertainment matter, he said maybe she for not reach the level where she did. So many people started the time when she did start to she too take for the industry, my country people, it never reached 3 years, but like her face now real face of the queen for inside the entertainment. Then the queen know her, yes now when all your day your head anywhere you enter you go to shine. And when you sabi wetin carry you enter entertainment, you must bring out the best in you to bring out your own content in a different dimension. Now be waiting she they do. She's very good when it comes to comedy skills. If you go for a TikTok, like, guys, you see different amazing stuffs. So guys, make we all wish a beautiful happy birthday where she just celebrated some days ago, and this amazing congratulations on a super engagement, because you know easy. You'll not be up boys because they say yes I do this days. Many bobo these days now belle they knock before they say okay make we all enter the new matter. But as this one come be say before the belle they she bebe, he don't already come and say baby please come and marry me. So I give the guy kudos because this our Indomie generation many know they ask. So guys, wish them well. Send your congratulations message across. Thank you all for watching. I remain your humble and loyal girl Aproko Matters, aka that boss lady TV, and leave your congratulations message across. See you all on my next video and bye bye.
Like this.
I'm scared of the blade.
The blade, yeah.
People do that.
It's a wrap with my baby and I.
That's so number one.
Do you know that her birthday is my wedding anniversary?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, double cake. Cake
So you see, the bonding is spiritual.
Yes, so spiritual.
Like I mess around with those who love me with their full chest.
Yes, so
Look at my
number
mouth.
one.
Not by mouth. I used to see all your likes. Don't think I don't see them.
Of course.
Thanks, bro. Thank
Mama,
you.
thank you. I should be saying thank you to
God will
Mama.
watch you.
Amen, Mama.
So at the point when they won't stand for you, God will stand for you.
Thank you to number one.
Amen.
Number one.
Mama,
Number one.
amen. I love you so much.
Love you too. At this point, let's go and put shaving cream.
Hey guys, this is EKENE CYNTHIA and I'm here with my sister, friend and colleague, Yuledochie.
Yeah.
And we are here to tell you that Love Dating Conference will be holding on 27th of August.
Her
next
birthday.
week, Saturday. Yes, my birthday. And it's in London. So Pastor Kingsley and Pastor Mildred, they are the one hosting you guys. So you have to be there.
Be there.
Be there. So that's
Be
what we
there.
are telling you. Be there.
Be there.
So if you want your
Girls,
marriage,
be there.
Yes, so
Tell them be there.
be there. But that's the truth, to be there. If you want to, you don't want to make mistake in marriage. Be there.
Yeah, be
That
there.
is it, be there. So that's the truth. So me and my sister here are telling you to be
There.
Be there.